Hello guys, thanks for joining me on this video of my unboxing DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. I thought I'd treat myself to a new camera, as the camera I was using before was a GoPro Hero 12 action camera, and unfortunately it stopped working. I think it's to do with the batteries, because the batteries are not charging up. So I thought to myself, I'll try the DJI action cameras. I've heard they're supposed to be pretty good. I've never used a DJI action camera before. I've used the drones and stuff like that, but this is my first DJI action camera. So I thought to myself, I was going to go for the 5 Pro, but I saw the 6 coming out. I thought I might as well wait for the 6. So, and since my GoPro's packed up anyway, it was the right time to buy this camera. So yeah, this is the Adventure Combo bundle. It's got 3 batteries, comes with 3 batteries, carrying a battery case, a multifunctional battery case for 3 batteries, extreme battery plus times 3, so it's got extreme batteries plus batteries, which I think is something like 4 hours run time, and it also comes with a 1.5 meter extension rod. So yeah, so I like these type of cameras because, you know, they're easier to attach to the handlebars on your bike. So when I go on my bike, I'd like to put the camera on the handlebars and, you know, record my rides along the canals and stuff like that. So yeah, so let's get to with the unboxing of this camera. It's a 4K camera, which most of them are anyway. Yeah, I haven't opened the box yet, so I bought it the other day, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video so you can see for yourself, guys, just in case you're interested in buying one. I got this on a special offer with Argos. Argos was on sale in Argos, and then I had an extra discount because me working for a DHL company, I can get a discount with Argos through the DHL discount scheme, so I get a bit more knocked off. So on offer in Argos at the moment, it is £399. And with my discount code with DHL, it's brought it down to £375. So it's not too bad really. So let's open the box, shall we, and see what's inside. So there's the green strip to tear that. That's a seal. So we'll put that there a minute. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's how you open the box. There we go. As you can see, accessories. That's the accessories box. And that's the action camera box. So I'll pull these out. That's the action camera. We'll get to that in a minute. The accessories, and also the extension rod. So I'll just what's the name? Put that there. So yeah, this is the extension rod. Feels quite heavy really. heavy duty, nice grip on it as well. It's got a name there, DJI. You slot the camera onto there. It extends as well. It's got quite a good extension. It's pretty long as well, yeah. So it's a pretty long. It just keeps going. Yeah, so that's the extension rod. So if you're walking around, going on walks and stuff like that, you'll be able to take that within your film over fences and stuff like that. Wherever you can't see over and you want to see over that wall, that's ideal for that type of thing. So yeah, that's quite good, those. So put that one side, get rid of the rubbish. Let's have a look in the accessories box. Let's see what's in this. I'm assuming it's the batteries. So yeah, we'll just pull that out first because that's the biggest thing in here. That's I'm assuming this is the batteries compartment. Oh yes, yeah. Oh, that's where the batteries are. Yeah, you see them all lit up. So they need charging. 1950 mAh batteries. You get 3 of them in the combo. Yeah, so supposed to be extreme batteries, so it says. So put it in the wrong way already. Yeah. So that's a nice case, taking the travels. Hard case as well, hard in plastic case, so it protects your batteries. So that's quite good, that is really. It's small, compact, easy carry, put in your rucksack. So that's the batteries. Oh wow, so we'll go in here. Charging lead. There's a charging lead, as you expect to see one of them every what's the name? Now we've got the spare screws. I don't know if they are called screws, but I call them screws anyway because they're a bit like a screw anyway. And you tighten the camera up. You get 2 of them in the pack. So yeah, that's 2 of them there. It's quite good those, yeah. So there's 2 of them. What else have we got here? I think it's stickers. We can get some stickers in there. DJI, let's have a look at it. It looks like a ghost sticker actually, to be honest with you. Oh, that looks smart, that doesn't it? That's a sticker, that is. So, I don't know if that goes on the battery case. Not sure. Otherwise you want to stick it anywhere you want. It's quite a cool sticker, that, isn't it? I think there's another one here somewhere. I'm knocking you. That is. Four stickers there. And it was, obviously the instruction booklet. Safety guidelines. DJI store information. Yeah, so That's that one. That's what you get in the accessories box as well. Also, that's a thingy for you go on the wherever you want to attach your magnetic thing to. That's me. So it has to as well. These are magnets. I believe, yes. You get 2 magnets in the pack. Chinese, very sticky. Yeah. So that's a magnet for the. I think it's. I don't know if it is a magnet or it doesn't feel like a magnet. I think it just clips your camera on it, and then you sit down on top of your mountain bike handlebars. Yeah. So you get 2 of them in the accessories box. So that's 2 of them in the accessories box. That's the accessories box empty. Let's move on to the camera itself. I haven't charged this camera up yet, so I'll be doing another video of what the camera's like on the handlebars of my bike. Yeah. So the next video you'll see probably will be how good the camera is. Nice big screw camera there. Big screen on that side. I'm assuming that's the battery compartment. On and off buttons. Yeah. A nice big screen on the back. Yeah. That's cool there, isn't it? And that's where the things clip onto. On the handlebars. I tell you what, compared to the GoPro Hero 12, yeah, this is the GoPro Hero 12, and I'll tell you what, the Action 6 camera is a lot lighter than the GoPro, very light. It almost makes the GoPro feel like it's a brick. So it doesn't tear down or that doesn't, so I'm assuming it's the batteries. So we're sticking this GoPro Hero 12 on eBay without the batteries. I'm assuming with new batteries it will work. Because the last video I did wasn't in London though, and I was recording on this camera and it worked then. So I tried to charge the batteries up but they wouldn't charge up. So it's a shame about that really, because GoPro is a good camera as well. So yeah, there's the DJI camera, action camera. I don't really know too much about it. Let's take that sticker off there, look at that. Nice big lens. Action camera. Yeah, smart camera actually, yeah. Quite pleased with it really. So I'm going to mess with the settings, get it all set up properly. And then hopefully I'll give it a test run on my bike along the canal. And that with the next video you'll see. I'll be testing the camera out. So I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. So yeah, it's not a bad price for all that really, 3 batteries. I think I paid more for that GoPro 12 Evo 12. I think I paid more than that, I'm not sure. And that only came with 2 batteries. So, anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. So keep an eye out, make sure you keep an eye out for the testing video of the DJI Action 6 on my handlebars. I'll be back. And I'll catch you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, share, hype, whatever. Please leave a comment if you have one of these cameras. Let me know how you got on with it, if you found it good or bad, or at the moment on the shopping website it's rated 5 stars, so I'm expecting it to be a good camera. So I'll leave it there. I'll do some testing videos with it, and then the next video you'll see on YouTube will be testing of the DJI Action 6 camera. So take care guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.